What's the capital of Meghalaya?
Itanagar.
Itanagar.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello! Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Arunachal Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Look, I,
You don't look Arunachali.
where are you from?
Ngadi na khasai.
Yeah.
Skip me. If you want to skip me, skip me.
Tiếng nó là đời sao?
Yeah, bhai. I don't do this. We are not gay. Tu rasa ban mere se. Hello, bro.
Harshal Patel.
Hello, bro.
Hello.
Where are you from?
Delhi.
I've seen you somewhere.
Where?
You look like one of the meme material.
Hey bro.
You have four ears.
Yeah.
Nice.
Then go back to space. You are an alien, man. Arey bhai. 18
No.
I don't want any 18 plus content here, please, in my account.
और साथ में our favorite music. Wait, it's Jumbo. अब ऑफलाइन है, पर प्लेलिस्ट तो 100% डाउनलोडेड है ना. आज ही अपना स्टूडेंट आईडी शेयर कर सब्सक्राइब करें प्रीमियम स्टूडेंट को और माय स्पॉटिफाई प्रीमियम के
Spotify app, man.
50% डिस्काउंट साथ ही साथ
Go get premium.
फ्री ट्रायल भी.
Hello, bro.
Hey,
Where you from, bro?
India, and you?
Which part of India?
Which part of India are you from?
Madhya Pradesh, MP.
MP. Oh, how old are you?
16.
You still 16?
Yeah.
Then you go study. What are you doing here in Omegle? Like record. Yes, am I?
Tomorrow is my exam also. Oh,
Load
that
shedding.
has-
Load shedding.
What's up?
Wait.
Okay, we're gonna wait.
Oh, what's the capital of Meghalaya?
Itanagar.
Itanagar.
Yes.
Yo, bro.
Hi.
Okay. You know Meghalaya?
Yeah.
Hello, bro. Don't skip. Where are you from? Tell me. Where are you from?
England.
I'm from Hogwarts. Oh, are you searching for girls? Tell me honestly.
Or boys.
I'm searching for a girl who's gonna show some.
Are you single?
Yes.
Jeevansathi.com.
That's why you're.
Download Tinder.
Okay.
Very nice. Hello, bro. Are you engineer?
Yeah, bro.
Why everyone is engineer in India?
15 minutes later.
Yo,
Why the hell are you upside down? Why are you upside down? You are upside down.
you are upside down.
You're using